Hey Guru Nation. So today, unexpectedly, I went with my business partner Jaime Valles, who's also, by the way, an SOS attendee, fresh off of like the SOS weekend. We first working day back. One of the sponsors wanted us to do some Native American community outreach because we are in Yuma, Arizona, and you can see the desert behind me, and there's a lot of Native American tribes around us. And one of these sponsors wanted us to do some reaching out. They approved a budget amendment where we got extra marketing dollars. So we actually went out. It was unexpected because we had a patient not show up. So we went out and went to work. Like, we went to one of the reservations. We met with the health staff. We met with some of the local businesses, and you're going to see us kind of talking about those in three separate shorts. And we already got patients scheduled. So it's a grassroots effort, and we were actually fairly compensated for it for once. Go figure, by the sponsor. So this is an example of how these kind of outreach efforts can work with sponsor and sites collaborating and getting things done. Hopefully, pick up a thing or two. Lots more videos to come on this. We're just starting to figure out how to approach the Native Americans. There's like some nuances with them as far as their tribal councils and things like that, but so far so good. Sometimes you got to go the extra mile when your sponsor says, hey, you know what? We need more Native Americans in our studies. They amended the budget. They worked with us. We came out. We started doing the work. We're here at Fort Yuma Healthcare Center because of Jaime's recommendations. And so far, we already scheduled one patient tomorrow that happens to be Native American because of our efforts.
Reach out to the community mainly, and then hopefully the effort we put in, it brings in patients, and we have the diversity that we need on our studies.
And simple things like catering. So we're gonna bring food, lunch and learns. We're gonna even do open house at our office, inviting members from this place in the community. So things like that do work, but it's a grassroots approach, and it takes effort, and it takes the sponsors to be willing to do it too. We're continuing our Native American outreach here, so we have more meetings with Fort Yuma, but we came across the street at a convenience store. Guess what? She told us to go up the hill to talk to the tribe leaders, but the person, we started explaining the study, the person cashing us out was like, wait a minute, that sounds like a study I can do.
Yeah.
So I scheduled her for Thursday at 9 a.m.
Just coming over.
It's that simple. She got super excited. It really is a matter of just going out in the community and doing the grassroots efforts.
Right.
It works.
It works.
I mean, this was a great idea by you to come across the street to the Native American market, because it's not always about going and meet with the admins. We're going to do that now anyways. It's about meeting with the people in the community, the person ringing up the register. So if you want to do business with the tribes, you got to meet with the tribal council, which we have a business card here that we're going to email. But Jaime, you want to break down like the process a little?
Yeah, so it's different than the regular community. Like anything we do, it has to go through the proper channels. So in this case, you'll have to go through the council, the tribe council. So we give all the information. If they approve it without asking for more information, that's it. If they need more information, or like they want more specifics, then what we got to do is we have to come to their council, which they meet weekly, and then present it to them at that point. And at that point, they'll ask all the questions they have, and then they give you a yay or nay at the end.
Shout out to the sponsors really trying to push these agendas forward with proper budgets.